Hello, I'm excited to introduce you to RodColor Pro. We've got the 2024 color trends, so you've got the color of the year from Pantone and all of the New York Fashion Week colors for 2024. These are really here just to give you some inspiration. Each color has the closest color match in the Madeira, Fuji, and Pro Wrap colors. If you find a color that you like, you can take the number from there, or you can pick your own color from the color picker. And here you can adjust everything that you want, whatever hue, saturation, whatever it is that you're looking for, you can pick it here, and then you will click on Save, and then you'll click out, and now you can see the Madeira, Fuji, and Pro Wrap closest color matches. You could grab one of these thread color numbers, copy it, and go over to the shade colors. Here you can make sure that you've got the correct brand selected, so Madeira, paste in that number we just copied, click on display color. There's the color, and now you can see the light and dark shades with all of the corresponding thread color matches. You can clear the colors to start from a fresh palette, and then you can look at the complementary colors. Same thing, make sure that the brand is selected. You can paste in your number, or you can type in the thread number. Click on display color, and here are all of the complementary colors with their matching thread numbers.